Hi, my name is Nina Mallam-Mills and I'm the Sales and FIRPTA Manager here for Harding Bell International. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about FIRPTA and offer up a few tips that can help your FIRPTA transaction go just a little bit smoother. So FIRPTA is the Foreign Investment and Real Property Tax Act, and this comes into play anytime a foreign national sells a U.S. real property interest. So basically what happens is at closing, the IRS requires that 15%, sometimes 10%, must be held back to cover any potential capital gains tax liability that may arise from the sale. Now, what we're seeing right now is there's quite a few delays from the IRS in processing this, so there's some things that you can do to help ensure this goes just a little bit smoother. When you get ready to sell, if you decide that you want to send your money to the IRS at closing, which is a super common option, there's not a right or wrong option in this, and a lot of people choose to do it, you need to be aware that when the IRS releases your refund, they are only going to do so via direct deposit to a U.S. bank account or via a paper check in U.S. dollars. Now, for me, that's no big deal, but for you as a foreign seller or a foreign national, that could be a huge deal. One, because you may not have a U.S. bank account anymore, and two, if you do have a U.S. bank account, the Patriot Act is going to require you to be physically present to initiate a wire out of the United States back to your home country. So that's going to require a little bit of pre-planning on your part. So we advise that one, you keep that U.S. bank account open for as long as possible. And two, open a currency exchange account with someone reputable like Currencies Direct or MoneyCore to help move that money from your U.S. bank account to your currency exchange account back to your home country with a little bit more ease and also with a little more money in your pocket because they offer better exchange rates than the bank. If you find yourself in a situation where you end up with a paper check, there's a couple things we can do for that scenario as well. You just need to reach out to us so that we can direct you on how the next steps to be taken. Now, another thing that you can do is make sure that you have your ITIN if you need one. The ITIN is the Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. The IRS will not release any part of your FIRPTA withholding unless you have a valid ITIN, and Harding Bell International can help you get that. So if you're here, you're thinking about selling, thinking about buying, whatever it is that you're doing and it's going to require you to need that tax number, stop by our offices, call, make an appointment, and we'll have you meet with one of our 6 certifying acceptance agents to take care of that while you're here. That's a super crucial thing and usually the most difficult thing to manage when you're handling FIRPTA from overseas. Everything else can be handled by email. So just those 2 things alone can make a vast difference in how smoothly your FIRPTA transaction runs. If you'd like more information about FIRPTA, then you can look at our website, www.hbitax.com, or you can email our FIRPTA team direct at firpta@hbitax.com, and we'll be happy to answer all of your questions.